We start with the big chill that has been biting both here and on the east coast of the United States. The severe cold wave has tightened its grip on Korea, with temperatures tumbling to potentially life-threatening levels. It has gotten so cold that the nation's weather agency has issued its first cold wave warning in 5 years for Seoul and its surrounding areas. The mercury is forecast to dip to a bone-chilling minus 18 degrees Celsius in the Korean capital on Sunday morning. The last time it was that cold in Seoul was January 2001. Now, temperatures should start returning to seasonal norms from early next week. Now, a snowstorm that is predicted to be the strongest in a century is hitting the east coast of the United States. Washington, D.C. is expected to be the worst hit. The U.S. capital is forecast to be buried in up to 60 centimeters of snow. A state of emergency has been declared, and a significant chunk of the U.S. transport system has been shut down. Around 6,000 flights have been cancelled thus far. At least 8 people have reportedly died in storm-related crashes. The snowstorm is forecast to continue through Sunday.